welcome back to the channel. Today it's gonna be another vlog from the Insta360 Go. It's one of my friend's birthday and we are planning to meet. So preparing my bike, and I hope today there'll be very less wind noise because I made some changes to the mount of the Insta360 Go. There goes my key, and the biggest advantage with the TRK stock fittings, and your charger is on. Warming up the bike. Meet at Pune Central. Few of the friends are coming here. I hope there's no wind noise today. अरे हा GoPro देत नाहीये तर मी काहीतरी करायला पाहिजे की नाही मला.
GoPro 100% येणार.
So there's the bridge again. It's been completely taken off now. Only this part is remaining that goes down to Baner, but that to the second end has been removed. I'm not sure why only this part is kept. Probably they're going to use this part, and the one going down to Aund is still intact. And this is the scene every day. It's 12 o'clock right now, so 11:30 actually, so there's not much rush. But if you come around like 10:30, this is completely jam-packed and there is no way to go out. I mean, you have to just crawl around. And all these roads are closed. You can't enter Baner straight from here. You have to go via Pashan. So this all is being broken. Now we'll soon be following social distancing. Just waiting for the birthday boy. Let's see if he turns up or no. So the birthday boy did not come up. We could not even get in touch with him. And now I'm heading back home. I saw this bridge broken completely, so I thought I'll give it a shot once more, capturing it once more. So this I've entered from Baner side. Wrong side everywhere. And this is the University Chowk. Lot of diversions. There's Mr. Kare.